I am back in another camera comparison video. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Realme C11 and Realme 5 camera comparison video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. So let's start the video. Realme C11 comes with dual camera setup. First, 13 megapixel 2.2 aperture wide. Second, 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor. Realme 5 comes with quad camera setup. First, 12 megapixel 1.8 aperture 26mm wide. Second, 8 megapixel 2.2 aperture 13mm ultra wide. Third, 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture macro. And fourth, 2 megapixel depth sensor. Realme C11 main camera highest record 1080-30fps video, but Realme 5 main camera record highest 4K 30fps video. Now all camera I am recording 1080-30fps video. Let's move on the selfie camera. Realme C11 comes with single 5 megapixel selfie camera with 2.4 aperture 27mm, and Realme 5 also comes with single 13 megapixel camera with 2.0 aperture 26mm wide. Okay, this is all about Realme C11 and Redmi 5 camera comparison video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time with another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Allah Hafiz.